Ahrefs and Semrush were built for a 2014 internet. But search isn't just 10 blue links anymore. Today, millions of high-intent buyers bypass Google entirely and ask AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. And right now, those AI engines are actively recommending your direct competitors without you even knowing it.
Your traditional analytics tools are completely blind to this. No click, no refer, zero visibility. Welcome to MetricVault, the modern search and AI visibility platform engineered specifically for 2026. MetricVault gives you complete command over everything Google measures, plus how AI engines see your brand. Track your real-time citation share across ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Claude in one unified workspace.
Let's see it in action. Paste any domain into MetricVault and launch a 92-second audit instantly.
In under 2 minutes, MetricVault pulls real data for SEO intelligence, covering keywords, traffic, and links. Open the competitor battle engine to tear down rival sites head-to-head and reveal their hidden keyword gaps. Instantly identify the exact topics your competitors own and the specific sources AI engines quote most. Move straight from analysis to execution with our built-in topic research and content engine toolsets. Generate high-ranking SEO briefs tailored to capture search volume and earn organic AI engine citations. Draft, humanize, fact-check, and translate articles into over 20 languages using native Blog Studio features. Plus, access 10 full technical SEO tools, including PageSpeed, Schema, and robots.txt, completely free forever. Manage modern search signals, like LLMs.txt files, to ensure AI crawlers index your authority correctly. Monitor backlink quality in real time and find high-authority domains citing top players in your niche. Need strategic answers fast? Ask Analyst AI, a custom AI assistant grounded directly in your live data. It analyzes your technical health, content decay, and competitor moves to give step-by-step growth actions. Running an agency? Export fully customized white-label client reports that impress prospects on sales calls. One growth head caught a competitor taking $40K in pipeline through AI answers. Fixed in 5 days. Stop jumping between 5 fragmented tools and paying separate bills for SEO, tracking, and AI monitoring. Why pay $129 for Ahrefs, $139 for Semrush, and $99 for an AI tracker when you can have it all in one place?
MetricVault gives you all 60-plus tools starting at just $79 a month, saving you over $400 every single month. You can test the entire platform today with a free account. No credit card required to get started.
Simply head over to MetricVaultAI.com, type in your web domain, and run your first instant audit. Uncover your blind spots, claim your share of AI search, and dominate modern search results starting now.
The next decade of organic search is being decided right now. Don't let your brand fall behind. Upgrade your stack to the platform built for 2026. Visit MetricVaultAI.com and get started free. Stop overpaying for 2014 tools. Build your modern SEO foundation at MetricVaultAI.com today.